Welcome to Brooklyn Culinary Arts, where we are passionate about sharing our knowledge about food, healthy eating, and wellness. We want to show you how you can start enjoying food and cooking in a whole new way. We focus on plant-based, gluten-free, and vegan nutrition. And in every video, we cook a new healthy recipe using delicious, nutritious ingredients. Being nutrition focused, it is also really important to know how each ingredient affects the body and why we use certain superfoods. So by subscribing to our channel, not only will you learn how to cook healthy dishes, but also why. Why is this meal so important and so healthy for you? My name is Mia, and I am here to share with you the healthiest foods on the planet. Hot pan, oh, look at that, look at that. Delicious, gorgeous, homemade cashew. Put that out of the way, we'll serve it with some fresh fruit. Maybe do not be intimidated. You're just whipping things up quickly in the Cuisinart, mixing it together with that. Especially with the chocolate, the cacao. As a cancer survivor, I was determined to stack all of the odds in my favor and to learn all there is to know about healthy eating. So I went back to school, I studied nutrition and wellness and changed my diet. I eliminated certain foods and I lost about 24 pounds in the process. So now here I am at Brooklyn Culinary Arts, ready to share my knowledge and recipes with you guys, the viewers. So if you're interested in healthy eating, plant-based, vegan or gluten-free, any kind of healthy recipe, this is the place for you. So we love connecting with our followers. So leave us a comment, share your ideas, share your recipes, give us feedback, whatever. We are so into communicating with you guys, you won't believe it. So don't forget, click the subscribe button. Get ready for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Subscribe now to Brooklyn Culinary Arts. And thank you guys. Thank you for being here.